Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Coastal Traders KE. My name is Edwin. So I want to take you through the trades that it took the last week of January 2026. I had a losing streak the entire week. It's really crazy. So my first trade was on US30. I was looking for buys. So you can see we had a push to the upside. We were forming high highs, high lows, high high, high low, high high. Then the leg that was retracing back to our POI. We came to this demand zone over here. We got a good reaction, push to the upside, to this supply zone. I usually trade supply and demand, so we came back to this zone or supply zone. That's our premium area. We sold off, and then the price came back to this zone. So I was expecting, this was what I was expecting, the price to come to this zone, particular zone. You can see here we had some momentum, push to the upside, and then we keep dropping to our point of interest. So I took some buys over here, and I was targeting this supply zone for us to continue selling to this point of interest, and then we buy heading to the all-time highs. So I got a loss this trade. My stop loss was hit. There was my entry. I got an entry after this beautiful reaction candle over here. That was at around, I think, 5:30 East African time. That's 9:30 New York time. And I took my position over here. My stop loss was just below this zone over here. Yeah, so the price came, reacted beautifully, went up, and then when the price pushed up, I was confident enough, and that's how the market does. It plays with your psychology. I think I went to the gym as usual during the evening hours, and when I came back, my stop loss was hit. Yeah, so that was it. That was on Tuesday, and then I called it a day. It was a bad day in office. Yeah, so my second trade, I think it was on a Wednesday on Euro USD. Yeah, you can see we were running to the upside. We were pushing higher, forming higher highs and higher lows, and then we came over here. We formed that swing high. We retraced back to our point of interest. We kind of had some reaction. If you keenly look over here, we had a reaction over here. So I was expecting the price to push higher. I left the price again in profit. When I came back, boom, stop loss hit. So that was my second trade, and you have to accept the loss. It's part of the game. Yeah, so that's it. I didn't take this particular trade over here because I saw a strong dollar. So according to the news that came out, yeah, so the news favored the dollar. So I didn't take another trade. That was on a Wednesday. I hit stop loss again, and on Thursday on gold. Wow, gold really gold me. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Gold, I was among those people who I usually try to avoid such kind of a trade. I took this beautiful buy over here. This was a buy. Yeah, this was a buy. I took a buy. There's no story. I took a buy. We came here, we formed this high, came from that high, and then we can see here the market was kinda consolidating, yeah, between this leg and this low, between this low and that particular high. So you can see the price was forming higher highs, higher lows, higher high. So the moment the market broke this high, forming a new high, we came back, we tested this low, and then closed within the range. I took my buy position over there. I was supposed to target this high, but I don't know how greed got me in, and I thought that the market will fly all the way to 6,000, and that's where I went wrong. And I'm not used to be trading during London session, but this particular day I never followed my plan, I never followed my rules, I broke my rules, I fucked up, and I accepted the results, though it was painful, but there's nothing I could do rather than accepting. So yeah, it took a crazy sell, pushing to the downside, and I'm pretty sure people were wiped out, accounts were wiped out. Some really made some good money, because man, here we had a very good reaction. You can see this low was broken. This was a change of character over here. This was a change of character, or a market structure shift, whatever you may call it. Some will call it break of structure, still the same thing. You can see we changed the character, the low was broken, yeah, and then we formed a new lower low. So we came up, formed a new higher high, and the price came and reacted beautifully to this supply zone over here. Some people caught this sell, and some people couldn't see this sell. So you can see it came, reacted beautifully, and people took the sells. Most of the people exited at this level, yeah, most of the people exited at that particular level, and the price kept pushing down to the it really pushed down more than 5,000 pips. It's really crazy. So we shall be looking at new opportunities next week. That will be on February of 2026. Yeah, so at the end of January 2026 was one hell of a month, but we keep on showing up, we keep on maintaining our consistency, psychology in check, yeah, risk management in check, and we shall be looking for new opportunities. The market is going nowhere. It will always provide you with opportunities to trade, so make sure you preserve your capital for the next opportunity to trade. So cheers, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Have a blessed time. Peace. Adios.